Hello. Ready? Ready? Come back. There you go. Oh. Ready? That way. Come back. Come back. Come here, Julie. Ready? That's mine. That's mine. That's mine. Sorry. Another gorgeous day here at Raspberry Rock. Hi, I'm Russell. Welcome back. It's Tuesday, the day I usually go to town, so we're gonna head out. I don't expect any problems. We've had a couple of inches of very light, fluffy snow. I don't think that's gonna impede us in any way. There's nothing I desperately need in town. I just like going to town once a week and grabbing some stuff, getting a sub. We're making 1600 watts right now, which is great. It's about -7, around 20 Fahrenheit right now, -7 Celsius. Not too cold. Just gorgeous, just gorgeous. A few clouds in the sky, but we're still making good power. 1.3 kilowatt hours already. It's about 10:30, something like that. Anyway, we'll see you on the trail, guys. Bird food. So the trail can actually be like much nicer in the wintertime because the snow kind of levels everything out. Wherever there's rocks or roots or stumps, it just levels it all out. It's really nice. Although I was sliding around quite a bit on the way out today, but I don't expect any problems on the way back in. I brought the puppers. Hello. I brought the puppers because they just straight up needed the exercise, right? Hanging out in the cabin, not doing much, and they don't go very far when the snow is really deep like that. It's just too much work. Anyway, in Tweed for a sub and other stuff. I gotta pick up eye drops for Willow, but I'm reminded of a funny story. Months ago, when I came to town to pick up eye drops for Willow, you didn't actually have to go into the vet, like inside. They would bring out whatever your medication or your whatever you bought. They bring it outside. They bring their little debit thing with them, so you can buy it right there. You're standing on the sidewalk. And I was doing that like months ago, picking up her eye drops, doing it on the sidewalk. And I looked around and I said, "Geez, I feel like we're doing a drug deal out here." And I thought, "Oh, we actually are doing a drug deal out here." Standing on the sidewalk buying drugs. Yep. Sometime. So a lot of people are saying I need tracks based on my latest video. Here it is. My lord, isn't that beautiful? Look at the clearance under that guy too. That's where it's at, right there. Boy, if I had a couple $100, I'd buy one of these. The guy who was driving that beast was standing right there. I should have asked him if I could take a spinner on the parking lot in that thing. Hey, it's for a YouTube video. That would have been awesome. Yeah, so I'll tell you what. This is what happens. No matter how carefully you think you've planned out how you're going to pack your ATV from your trip to town, it all goes out the window when some company sends you another power station to review. Look at that thing hanging off the front. I had to get it on there somewhere. And yeah, my pop and my beer, I couldn't leave any of that in the cars. It'll all explode on me. Anyway, this is the worst hill of the journey. If I'm gonna have problems, it's gonna be right here. So why don't we film it, Russell? You can do that. Okay, let's do this. The thing is, here's the thing. You got to get a good run at it, like a good solid run through here and up, so you kind of propel yourself up. The only problem is right now the ATV is like all over the place, like back and forth. Woo! It's like sliding around. So I'm trying to get speed up. If I start doing that, I got to slow down, otherwise I'll end up in a tree. But if I can keep the speed up and keep it straight, shouldn't be a problem. All right, let's give her. Honestly, I don't know why I made it the second time and not the first. Happy to not have to winch, because this is the spot where there's no real good trees up there to attach to. Anyway, let's go. Cabin time. Can't see shit over this thing. This is the most Canadian thing ever. Back bacon. Oh, pea meal bacon. Or how about this? Tim Hortons. Yeah, I know it's decaf. So a while back I bought a cellular trail cam. So when it detects motion, it takes a picture and it emails it to me. Well, it doesn't email it to me. There's actually an app on my iPad that it shows up on. And I got some really nice pictures of some elk out there, which I'm currently showing you. But it stopped giving me any pictures as of like almost 3 weeks ago. And now it's possible that no animals went by there in 3 weeks, but I don't really buy it. So I'm gonna head out there and see if there's anything wrong with it. I'm gonna take a fresh set of batteries out to it, and we'll take a look. It's gonna be a journey. It's like that way. It's a long. Actually, it's not that far, but you know, through this deep snow, it's gonna be a bit of a pain. But yeah, I want to do it. I gotta do it, and I want to do it. Let's go. that was exhausting. I put the new trail cam right underneath the old trail cam. So I was thinking, if the new trail cam, if the batteries are dead, which they were, I'd at least get video from the old trail cam. And there's tracks through there, they're elk tracks, so I thought, great. Except the batteries are dead in the old trail cam too. So let's see if we got anything. I don't know when they died. I have no way of knowing. But we'll see. Oh, I'm so tired. And I crashed my drone. Here, take a look. Yeah, it's like the 6th time. Thankfully, I only broke a set of propellers on it, and I had extra propellers with me, so. Anyway, let's take a look, see what we got on the trail cam, if anything. And that's going to be it for this video. Check out the Raspberry Rock wall calendar before you go, full of lots of fun images from Raspberry Rock throughout the year. And also some inspirational quotes from City Girl. You might like that too. A wonderful thing. Check out the link in the description below if you're interested in picking up one of these bad babies. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.